One day, everything you built will be handed down. But let's be honest, today, many of our families are rich in faith but poor in preparation.
Not because we didn't care, but because too often, no one ever taught us how to build, protect, and pass down what we've been blessed with.
Times have changed, and the way we plan, prepare, and protect our families has to change too.
That's exactly why Legacy Makers is hosting the second annual Building the Next Generation Wealth Conference.
For 6 years, Legacy Makers has served this community frying, and now we're building something bigger than a moment.
Join us Saturday, January 31st, 2026 from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. at the Rochester Educational Opportunity Center.
This year's focus is simple and urgent. Faith, family, finances.
In the 21st century,
You'll hear from keynote speaker Dr. Shirley Green.
Trusted experts will cover wills and trusts, new 21st century financial systems, including AI, wealth management, and youth wealth education.
It's preparation for the next generation.
If you don't define your legacy, someone else will.
And remember, it's for the whole family.
Register today. Visit Legacy Makers Wealth Initiative on Facebook or visit our website. You can also call us at 585-705-8875 for more information.
Be intentional. Be prepared.
Be a legacy maker.